Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get unbanned from Tinder. So here, basically, you are already banned on Tinder, so you cannot access the Tinder mobile application. So you have to just go to the browser of your phone. Now here, you have to search Tinder support, right? Okay, I will just turn this off so you can just watch it very easily. So here I will search Tinder support or Tinder help, and here you will get this option that is called submit a request. Okay, and here you it will says what can we help with. So basically here you can see trouble with login account, right? So just click on the first option, and here you will get the another option what's going on. So basically you can see that can't log in, my account was banned. And here basically you have to enter your active email address, then your active phone number, and description. So you have to write and make sure that your phone number is in the code, right? Your country code. So after in the description you have to make sure that explain each and everything regarding why your account was banned. Did you violated any kind of rules and rules or policies of Tinder? If you did, then do apologize to them. And after that, if your account got banned by mistakenly, then you can write, and here in the attachment you can just attach a photo for the proof, right? And after that, just click on this submit from here. So this is guys, and in the next 24 hours, Tinder will they will try to reach you through your email address, and they will try to fix a problem as soon as possible. So this is it. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this videos, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.